Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A PIN is a personal identification number that is unique to your Walmart gift card. If you have a plastic gift card that doesn't have a PIN, you can use it at a store, but you cannot use it online at Walmart.com. For your security, Walmart.com can only accept cards with a PIN.
Take our lead.
To make a purchase online, add each item to your online shopping cart. When you check out, on the payment page, choose the Use a Walmart gift card option for payment and enter the card number and PIN.
Take our lead.
No, they will not give you cash off the gift card. They put the money on there, so one way or another you still have to spend that money at Walmart. The only way you can get money from a gift card is to sell it to someone else for the amount on the card.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
This is most likely due to your gift card code been locked, probably because it has been accessed using a bad IP. When checking your Walmart gift card balance, do not use any IP other than the USA and do not use VPN. It can lead to such error, but not in all cases.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You can get free Walmart gift cards at cashback sites like Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, Prize Rebel, Fetch Rewards or Drop. Many survey sites like Survey Junkie, Pincone Research, My Soapbox, Springboard America and others will pay you for filling out surveys in Walmart gift cards.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
E-gift cards arrive immediately by email, or within 4 hours at most. Select the denomination and add the e-gift card to your cart. We'll send you an email that includes the Walmart e-gift card number and PIN. Just forward the email to your chosen recipient and let them start shopping.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.